Is it better to caulk a whole bathtub at once, or work in sections to get a neat, durable bead? Caulking a bathtub in sections is often the most forgiving method for learning and for tight schedules. Begin by removing old caulk and cleaning with a non-abrasive bathroom cleaner. Then wipe with isopropyl alcohol and let the area fully dry for at least 30 minutes to ensure adhesion. Cut the caulk tube tip at a small angle to match the joint width. Use a short length of masking tape above and below the joint to create clean edges, and maintain a steady, even pressure on the trigger while moving at a consistent pace. For tooling the bead, use a wet finger or a silicone finishing tool with light, even pressure and move along the bead once only to avoid jagged edges. Remove the tape immediately after tooling to prevent cured edges, and allow the caulk to cure undisturbed for the time specified on the product label, usually 24 hours for shower contact. For novices, work one side at a time from top to bottom so you can control cleanup and correct any small blobs before they set. Professionals who are practiced and fast can run a full perimeter bead without tape if they keep a consistent speed, steady pressure, and a dampened tool ready. Common mistakes include rushing and creating an uneven bead, which leads to gaps and poor waterproofing, so slow down and match your hand speed to a smooth, continuous motion while holding the gun at about a 45-degree angle. Another frequent issue is insufficient surface preparation, which causes adhesion failure, so always remove old material, clean with alcohol, and ensure the joint is dry before applying caulk. A third concern is over-tooling or retooling multiple times, which creates ridges and weak spots. So tool once, remove tape promptly, and wipe excess with a single clean damp cloth or a soapy water wipe before the caulk skins over. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for local contractors with contractors seeking projects, and provides a discussion community where users share experiences, product recommendations, and step-by-step tips. We help people find potential contractors near them and give contractors a place to showcase work and engage with homeowners.